These 3-ingredient chocolate chip cookies are supposed to taste just like the famous Amos cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a package of white cake mix. You need the 16-ounce size, about 450 grams. This one is 460 approximately. Put that in a bowl, then you'll need 2 4-serving size packages of butterscotch pudding, the kind that you have to cook. Now this is a 6-serving size, so I use 1 box and then part of another box, so not quite 2 boxes in my case. And then you add in 1 1/4 cups of mayonnaise. And that's pretty much the basics of the cookie. The mayonnaise acts as oil and as eggs. So blend that together, you'll end up with a kind of stiff dough. And to that you will add 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1 cup of chopped pecans. I've toasted mine a little bit in the oven first. Stir it all together. Use a cookie scoop and place them on a cookie sheet. They don't spread very much, so you can crowd them a little bit. And just flatten them slightly with the palm of your hand or the bottom of glass before baking. And then bake them at 350 degrees for about 9 to 10 minutes until the bottoms are light brown. Let them cool completely before you take them off the cookie sheet. That way they won't break up on you when you remove them. Now I have no idea if these taste like famous Amos chocolate chip cookies or not, because I've never seen that brand around where I live. However, I can tell you that these are absolutely delicious. They have the same texture as a shortbread cookie, and it just melts in your mouth. I think it's the mayonnaise that does that. They're just really, really good. Max, actually, this is one of his favorite cookies now, and he's asked me to make these more than once. So you will not be disappointed with these cookies. They are delicious, and they do taste like homemade, and I hope you give these a try. I have an entire playlist of recipes that start off as cake mixes. And one of my other favorite cookie recipes that uses the cake mix are these cream cheese chocolate chip cookies. These are pretty awesome too.